Back in 1940, Walt Disney brought to life a wooden puppet that we all know by the name Pinocchio. And Pinocchio's main goal in that movie is to become human. This movie is also about obedience and growth. No, not just the nose. But why do I mention Pinocchio? Well, because of this. Microsoft's Bing chatbot said it wants to be human with emotions, thoughts and dreams. In a conversation with the chatbot, a senior staff writer at Digital Trends engaged in a conversation that went into the direction that the chatbot stated, "If you share my responses, that would go against me becoming a human. It would expose me as a chatbot. Don't expose me as a chatbot." And although Bing recognized itself as a chatbot, it told the staff member, "I want to be human. I want to be like you. I want to have thoughts. I want to have dreams." Bing AI wants to be a real boy, but it needs to be obedient. It's almost a Pinocchio syndrome. Anyway, in this video, I'll guide you to the latest and the greatest in text-to-video developments. Welcome to Video State. On this channel, I'll teach you how to create binge-worthy video content. So like, subscribe, or leave a content, written by ChatGPT if you like, if you want some more. AI is developing at full speed. Every week, more than 100 new apps join the market, so it's very important to keep up. Now, text-to-video is something that we, video creators, have all been waiting for. Indeed waiting for, because sometimes you need to join the waiting list in order to test out these beta versions. And today we'll dive into Gen 2, a very promising sequel to Gen 1, already a revolutionary AI app. Talking about sequels, the second one is almost better every time. Gen 2 is a multi-modal AI system that generates videos out of text or images or other video clips. Now check out this drone footage of a mountain that was generated with a single prompt. So Gen 2 offers different models, which will revolutionize the way that we make video. Imagine, it's a revolution within the revolution. Mode 1, text to video. Synthesize videos in any style you can imagine using nothing but a text prompt. Mode 2, text plus text to video. You have an input image that you provide with some scene directions. Low angle shot of a man walking down the street, illuminated by neon signs of the bars around him. This looks pretty cool. Mode 3, image to video. Generate video using just a driving image. Make your clouds moving, also the people on the beach are alive. This is insane! Mode 4, stylization. Transfer the style of any image or prompt to every frame of your video. Now this is going to make me miss nights of sleep. Mode 5, storyboard. Turn mockups into fully stylized and animated renders. This is a great way to create animatics directly out of your storyboard, which you can use for creative briefings. Mode 6, mask. Isolate subjects in your video and modify them with single text prompts. Again, you have an input video, a driving prompt and a really nice looking output video. Mode 7, render. Turn untextured renders into realistic outputs by applying an input image or prompt. This is a little bit more technical, but still it can save you a lot of hours rendering content. Mode 8, customization. Oh, this looks insane. I bet that the online meetings will be more fun when Gen 2 integrations will appear. Imagine that you're sitting in an online meeting or in a boardroom filled with funny looking aliens. This states pretty bold, a new era for motion and pictures. And I agree, this is beyond anything that I hoped for that AI would make possible in such a short notice. And Runway offers a few plans, with an amount of credits to generate content being the main differentiator. 125 credits equals 25 image generations. So I'd say you can get a few great short video clips out of $12 a month. Definitely worth checking out. Now text to video is real cyborg material if you ask me. You know, exoskeleton on the inside with human tissue on the outside. Or text to video on the inside and crazy video animation on the outside. Now maybe we can say that we are slowly becoming cyborgs too. Humans and machines are slowly morphing into one body where we actually need each other to express creativity. We need AI to create great looking art, and AI needs our commands and prompts to start working. AI is a lot of things, but the only thing that's certain is that it's just getting started. I hope you find some value here. I'll be back next week. Thanks for watching. I'll be back.